Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY Detail All Clean All Purpose Cleaner or APC on the wheels of this car. I'm going to use it primarily on the tires because these wheels are very dirty and I don't expect this APC to clean the wheels entirely as well. However, in case it happens, then I'm super happy, but that's not my expectation. My expectation is rather on the tires to do some sort of magic. Anywho, other than that, let's kick it.
Wake up, baby, all the stars are shining bright. Yeah, we should stay up so that we can look at them all night. Just keep holding me, don't let me go. Everything's so magical. All I need is you tonight. If I shut my eyes, keeping them closed, all of the senses explodes. You and me under the sky. Let's stay up all night, give our hearts a new beginning. When we fell in love, every second, every minute, we were high on life. Didn't waste our time, didn't sleep as much as now. Let's stay up all
Okay, boys and girls, that was the DIY Detail All Clean All Purpose Cleaner. It has this typical alkaline smell. It's like, I would say, like on a medium level. It's not too strong, but not a weak alkaline smell. It's somewhere on the medium compared to other products I tried. It removed the dirt nicely from the tires, and on the top of it, it removed all the visible dirt from the alloy, even the ones that I didn't expect it to do so, and it did, so I'm absolutely surprised. This was the ready-to-use version, which is diluted already 1:15. If you want, you can use it internally as well, but don't spray it directly on the surface. Spray it on a microfiber towel and apply that way, and then buff with another towel. And if you buy this ready-to-use version, you need to cut it in half to make the dilution 1:30. Otherwise it would be too strong. But as I said, it was surprisingly good. I think it's a super nice product, so I can hands on heart recommend. That concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.